Hey, good morning from what is now officially my favourite cafe in Da Nang. So I'm in a place called the Workshop. I'll leave a sort of Google reference in the description. But basically, I ended up here kind of by mistake a couple of days ago. I was lost looking for my accommodation and I sort of wandered in asking for directions. And I went back yesterday to get a drink and had a really nice sort of fresh lemonade. They make it sort of there directly in front of you. It's absolutely delicious. So I thought I would come back today, hide out, get a couple of postcards written, and do a couple of jobs. Like I've got to book my rail pass for Japan, things like that. So I was just sitting here writing my postcards, and the owner comes up to me and offers to take me to the post office on the back of a bike. So we go to the post office and she helps me get it all sorted, which was greatly appreciated, not just for the ride, but for getting it sorted, because it was a complicated process. So a few of you watching, thanks to her, you will now have postcards on the way. And yeah, just totally unexpected kindness. And the atmosphere is lovely. It's just such a sort of chilled vibe. That's why I decided to sort of hang out here a bit today and sort of get a few jobs done. But now it looks like breakfast is on its way, so I'm going to leave you a bit to tuck into breakfast and catch you a bit later. As you can see, not much left. That was kind of delicious.